So yeah, I'm back today again. This will be my last video on Louverture and their migration failure. So basically, if you weren't checking in with this platform on a daily basis, watching the Telegram, watching the Discord, watching the Twitter, so on and so forth, if you weren't keeping up with this, they did a migration from V1 to V2, and they had a time frame, a window that all the V1 users of the platform that originally got in on it, they were able to migrate their tokens over, their everything that they had over. But if you fell outside of that window, then you're not able to do it. They won't open any more trouble tickets to help you. So that's that. And so all the tokens and money and crypto that you put into this platform in the V1 platform is now useless. So to me, this was a total migration failure because they should have just been able to put a button up here on their website for you to click and migrate all your stuff over if that was the case, but they don't have that feature. They say they do on here, but there's nowhere to be found. What happened to my nodes? Yeah, go to your migration toolbox. Go through there's no migration toolbox on this website. So this was, like they have right here, this black hole. This was a black hole because everyone that was in V1 that didn't meet that time frame to migrate over to V2, well, you basically put all your crypto and your money into a black hole and it's never coming back. So hopefully this video warned somebody or helped somebody that wasn't really, tracking Louverture as close as they probably should have been. And it, teaches you a lesson that, invest in your own risk and only invest in things that you believe they're going to last. These websites lately, or they're all upgrading from their previous versions to a new version to a new version. So what happens when this thing goes to version 3? All the version 2 users going to be left behind. We don't know. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if you like the video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos, and beware of Louverture. Peace.